Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Canopies 4x4. We've got the big boy Silverado ZR2 in here today, getting one of our Oztrax electric roller shutters. These are by far the most premium roller shutters on the market. We'll go through all of its features at the end. You're gonna see why I say that. It's not just because I'm fibbing, but they're nowhere near the most expensive on the market as well. $2,200 for all you short American. So we've got for the Silverado F-150 and for the Ram 1500 as well. Anyway, enough of me yapping. Let's get right into the assembly and fitment. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process on our Oztrax electric roller shutter for the Chevrolet Silverado. Once again, like I mentioned, available for both the F-150 and the Dodge Ram, the shorter tubs, of course. So what's really tricky about these guys, right? So you do have a separate fob. However, the fob key can remain in your pocket. Why? Because it does have a proximity sensor that allows you to use these buttons just on the side of the roller shutter. So very straightforward. Press the front button. So as soon as you move away, right? So what I'm gonna do, little trick thing, I'm gonna go put this over here. As you can see, a decent way across. And if I go ahead and try and operate the roller shutter, there you go, it is not working. I'll go ahead and grab the key once again. And then you can see, as soon as I am about 1.5 meters close to the roller shutter, it is now activated again. It's detected that the key is in my pocket. We'll go ahead and send it all the way forward. Have a look, guys. You can see very, very quickly that integrated bar light that runs all the way across from the canister. And not only that, have a look at how small this canister is, giving you so much more space relatively to a lot of the other different models that are on the market at the moment. And then you've got the vehicle specific fitting kit, so you don't have to have any additional clamps happening on the side of the ute, on the side of the truck, I should say. At this size, it's definitely a truck. So you get a really, really, really premium roller shutter with a bunch of premium features, and the price is, you're not even gonna believe it, $2,200 supplied. You can grab it today at ozcanopies.com.au. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.